Welcome, everyone is EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of this phone. So when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the, hide air screen, as it's called. So simply select your desired language from the list. Gonna stick with English anyway, and press on start. Next page, you can insert your SIM card. This step is optional. You can do that later on as well, and basically it changes nothing. And the next page will allow you to connect to Wi-Fi. Again, this step is optional, so if you don't have a Wi-Fi network near you, don't worry, you can just simply skip it. And once you're, near a Wi-Fi network, you can just go into these settings and connect from there. So you can skip it, and later on, if you have an option, you can connect to it. Now, I'll mention that by skipping it, you will lose the option to have the time and date set automatically, so that's why this page kind of appears here. If you connect it to Wi-Fi, this is just completely bypassed. And also you won't have the screen to log into a Google account, but again, like I said, you can do that later on through the settings. Then next page, we have Google services, so location, scanning, and send user and diagnostic data. If you're interested what they exactly do, you can simply tap on the arrow, expand the overview of this, and simply read what it exactly does. I'm not really going to go into it, so yeah. Now, I'll also mention you can disable this if you don't want to. Next page, protects your phone, so obviously you can set up PIN, pattern, or password, or simply not protect it at all. Now you can only choose one of these three options if you want to protect your device, so pick one that you want to use. I'm going to go with the pattern, and whichever one you choose, it will ask you if you want to use a secure startup. Personally, I wouldn't recommend against it, because what this basically does is if you set up a pattern and you basically want to have a secure pattern, or secure startup, when you turn off the device and then turn it back on. So as an example, if your battery dies and you charge it up and turn it on, before the device fully turns on, it gives you a confirm PIN or pattern in this case. You confirm it, then it boots up, goes to the lock screen, and tells you to again confirm your pattern for some odd reason. So it's just a more of an annoying part of it, which I don't really see a reason for it. So I'm gonna select no. And from here we can start to set up our set up our protection. So let's draw our pattern, redraw it, confirm, and voila, it's now set. And it also looks like this is the end of the setup. So that was a fairly quick setup. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.